Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing a product that was sent to me by Xin Tianya Packaging Co Limited. We will be unboxing this product together, so sit back and let's do this together. This is it. So this came through, this was sent to me by Xin Tianya Packaging Co Limited. It was posted through Amazon, so that means you can actually get this from Amazon. So let's open this together. Okay. This actually looks amazing. The quality speaks for itself, and it has two steps, but we will start by the lower steps because we have a surprise at the top bit. So let's wait for the surprise. So if you're still watching, make sure you wait until the end because this jewelry box has a surprise at the top, so sit tight and wait for the surprise. Okay, so the lower bit, that's where you fix your jewelry. And the amazing thing about this jewelry box is it came with a jewelry, so there's a necklace on it. So let's talk about it. So it came with a heart necklace, so but you can actually put more than one necklace in here. So it has a double side where you can actually fix your necklace, and this necklace is actually pretty. I'm a jewelry person, so if I see something good, I know. Yeah, it's a heart-shaped necklace. It's so beautiful. Can you see it? It's so beautiful. And you can put more than one jewelry, so it can contain more than one jewelry. This jewelry box is actually of a good quality. It's really good quality. So we'll go to the top bit. The top bit has a surprise, and are you ready for the surprise? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It has roses at the top. This will be a very good gift idea if you want to give someone special a gift. This is really a good gift idea. Can you see that? It's so beautiful. So the quality speaks for itself. It's a very good quality jewelry box, and there's something written here. It says, best wishes, a friend is a loving companion at all times. So when you give this to someone, there's something written there that anytime the person opens it, like, wow, read this. This is really good. The roses are so beautiful. When I saw this, immediately I fell in love with this jewelry box. So if you want to get something like this, this is made by Xin Tianya Packaging Co Limited, and I will put the link in the description below where you can make order, and you can read about the company. They are very good in packaging, and the package, I really love this. I can't wait to put my jewelries because my jewelries are already flowing everywhere, so I need something like this to organize my jewelry. It's so beautiful. So the link will be in my description below. The link for you to order. You can get this from Amazon, and also you can get it direct from the company. Leave your comments and give your review about this product because I definitely know you are going to get this. Christmas is around the corner, so this is a really good gift idea for that special person. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.